what does self-check-in mean to you? How does it work? And like I say, simplest way, what is a self-check-in?
At a high level, it's having it so the guests can check in on their own without anyone there to greet them.
When it comes to rental, specifically when you don't live on site, the self-check-in will be something that you are more commonly known for. Like you say, the key or the padlock, like we have the key combination, but there's obviously pitfalls to that. Now, could you just sort of elaborate for people who don't know some potential pitfalls when it comes to having a self-check-in system?
I'd say three big buckets would be just the technology failing, the guest experience standpoint, having a decreased quality on that, and then some safety measures when you don't have a person there greeting them.
How do you feel, in your opinion, that guest house owners can adopt the self-check-in processes, specifically with all the technology that's now available?
Depends on their specific house. There's many ways of doing it. So the hardest might be if it's actually apartment in a big downtown building where there's, you need to have that key, so you can't use a smart lock, but there's still been technology that's helped that out. For example, Key Cafe is a business where you can go to a local cafe and get the key there to go in.
How are you using email triggers with Hostfully and the PMS that you've got to make sure that when the guest books to the point of arrival, everything goes as smooth as clockwork and getting people into the guidebook and whatnot? That'd be really cool to find out what you're doing.